All right, gang, let me welcome you to Affinity Designer. In this lesson, we're going to cover three things. We're going to show you how the course is structured. That's step one. Then we're going to show you how to work with the course. That's step two. And then the third portion is we're going to show you how to ask for help on the course. That's going to be step three. So let's go ahead and dive right into step one. Now, when you open up the course structure, we designed this course for people who had no awareness in digital art or Affinity Designer. So each section builds on the section before. So as an example, Introduction and Basics of Digital Art, let's go ahead and open this one up, has 5 different lessons. Now, Section 1 builds into Section 2, Basics of Interface, in which there are individual lessons. Some lessons have project files, some do not. Okay, so once you get through the interface, you learn about the shapes. There's a project there. We go to advanced shapes, another project there. We do lines and paths. You get the idea. So if you take this from lesson 1 all the way through the end of section 18, that is the path to go from 0 to hero. Now, what do you get for that? Along the way, and I know this is going to seem a bit overwhelming right now, this is about half of the projects that you will actually create in this course. I ran out of room about halfway through putting in all of the cool things you guys are going to do. So I am super excited about this. So that's kind of how the course looks. Now, how can you use the course? If you know nothing about digital art and you want to go from 0 to hero, follow the sequential order. If you have areas that vex you, like digital inking, you can take the areas that you have problems with. And if you're a pro and you're interested in the workflow, down here on section 18, I put in my individual workflow. Now, with this completed, you're going to have a problem if you don't understand everything else that went into it. So make sure that if you're going down here, you probably won't get it unless you did all the rest of the stuff up here. All right, so that's a couple different ways you could use it. This course is designed to be modular, but it's also designed to take you from 0 to hero. All right, let's take a look at some of the nomenclature. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the advanced shape lesson. Within each file, within each section, there are quizzes, and quizzes are just simple quizzes that reaffirm what you're learning. So what is the best definition for a blue circle? And then you go ahead and you get the answer. Okay? So that's kind of how this works. The first thing you're going to learn is quizzes. Now, you'll also see these things called assignments. Now, with the assignment, this is like a challenge. Now, the assignment, we're going to give you something, and in this one here, we're going to give you the video, and you're going to be creating a chessboard. You'll get the project file, then you go through, you submit your screenshot, and then once you're done, we show you how to solve it. So you'll be doing challenges, and you'll be doing quizzes. Now, the last thing that you'll see in here are what are called projects. As an example, after this, you're going to create a coffee house logo. The projects are not challenges. They're a little more complex, so we will be helping you along the way, and there will be many, many projects that you'll be doing, and this project consists of 4 different videos. So projects are bigger. All right, so you got projects, challenges, and quizzes. So that's kind of the nomenclature that you're going to see here. Now, the last thing that I want to show you, how do you get help in this program? So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Q&A section. Step 1, hit up Q&A. Let me know what you need. Phil and I check this thing all the time. We don't have unanswered questions. The other thing that I want to show you, if you feel like this is something you want to do on Facebook, we've set up a dedicated site for the people that are enrolled in this course. So you have to be enrolled in the course in order to sign up. Affinity Designer, the complete guide to Affinity Designer is how you find it. So if you want to, go to Facebook, sign up to be part of the group. Phil and I are always trolling around in there. We'd love to help you out with your questions. Also, the community then can help you out. All right, that's a little bit about how to use the course, what you can expect from the course. And I just want to show you again, this is only half of the projects you're going to make. You're going to make some really cool shaded roses. You're going to create some hot rod flames. You're going to be working in social media buttons. You're going to be making robots. You're going to be doing logos. It's going to be a crazy course, folks. I'm so excited. I had so much fun recording this. Can't wait to see what you make. Let's go ahead and get into the first lesson.